Hey everyone! Today we're diving into one of the most intriguing mysteries of the year, the New Jersey UFO drone sightings. Starting in November 2023, New Jersey residents have been reporting strange drone-like objects in the skies. These sightings kicked off along the Raritan River and spread like wildfire to the Highlands, Monmouth County, the Pine Barrens, and even Staten Island and the Bronx. Some witnesses even claimed these drones were as big as cars, But hold on, because not everything is as it seems. Many of these so-called drone sightings, misidentified planes or helicopters. Still, theories are running wild. Some folks think they're spy drones from Iran or China. Others speculated they were on a mission to find a missing radioactive medical device, which, by the way, was found by FedEx. And then there's the juicy one, government surveillance. Belleville's mayor, Michael Mellon, thinks these drones might be Uncle Sam keeping an eye on us. Local authorities are in a tizzy too. Monmouth County's sheriff is calling for legal power to de-drone. And the media? They are having a field day. Radio host and gubernatorial candidate Bill Spadea is stirring the pot with anti-government rhetoric, even suggesting we need a state of emergency. The public fascination is off the charts. More and more people are skywatching, hoping to catch a glimpse of these mysterious flyers. But here's the kicker. Whenever police drones try to film them, they vanish. With 1 million registered drones in the US, how do we tell the good ones from the bad? To tackle this, the Department of Defense is deploying drone detection devices. Originally meant to prevent bird strikes at airports, these could be our best bet at solving the mystery. New Jersey is no stranger to hoaxes. Remember the 2009 Great Morristown UFO hoax, or the infamous 1938 War of the Worlds broadcast? Yeah, this place has a history. So what's really going on? The true nature and origin of these sightings remain unknown, keeping everyone on their toes. Are we being watched? Is it all a hoax? One thing's for sure, the mystery continues to captivate and perplex. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. What do you think these drones really are? Until next time, keep watching the skies.